it's a workout. Right, here's some real world consumer advice for Caterham owners, potential Caterham owners. If you're about 6 foot and kind of fat and you're trying to get in your narrow body chassis with a roof on, bearing in mind it could be raining, but it's not, the sun's out. It's not a pretty sight, but this is what it looks like. Oh, dude, right. Start with the steering wheel off. Make sure your kill switch is in. Make sure your keys are in. Make sure your phone is out your pocket, because once you're in, there's no getting it out. I'm going to take the door off because it's just going to keep flying shut. Right, left leg first. And then you've got to get your head and your body right over the passenger side. Mind your head on the roll cage if you've got one. And then try and get your other leg in, like so. Now, like what usually happens, is I've just knocked the other lap strap in. Now, drop yourself down into the seat. Oh, dude. Right, then adjust your t-shirt. Yeah, if either of these straps drop in while you're trying to get in, you've had it. Then, at this point, probably put the door back on. Mate, it's a workout. As I said already, it could be raining. Then, one of them, click, click, steering wheel on, and you're away. No, door, and the other one, which is there. There we go. I'm out of breath because that's one fact. Yeah, getting out is even worse because obviously gravity helps you get in, but getting out, you've got to mind you don't put your leg on the exhaust. Last time I got out, literally took the door off, reached around the windscreen and unpopped about 3 poppers and moved a bit of the roof out of the way. Oh, grief. Although it is a lot less windy in here. Right, let's go for a blast. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one.